Hi guys!
So we're just gonna make some butter slime today.
Today we're gonna do a DIY butter slime.
Use Elmer's Bessie. Oh hi Izzy.
Martin wasn't there.
Almost dropped my head.
Who's gonna do butter slime? So let's stay here. And this is our special desk.
That's
Open your desk. You're not a guest. You're a desk. Nope. Open that. Sorry.
Can you open this please?
Yes.
I have slime in here.
I'm ready.
already.
Okay. So then you put until like half. Okay. So you just like look at it. Like,
You guys know. No, I think I'm done.
It won't be nothing. It won't be nothing. Okay, stop.
Oh, she said half. Okay.
Yeah, you show Lala. One more.
Can you put it for me?
Yo, I put a lot.
She's afraid.
Lots of people.
Okay. Next thing is you're disappointing your millions of subscribers here. Shaving cream, okay?
You know how much?
Okay, so
Yeah,
basically, just put it by eye. So my goal is to try to cover the glue, okay? So you just put like, I'll have some for my face. That's all. I'll put more than that. Can I?
Yes, please.
Stop. That's it. Have some.
Hey, machine.
Okay, stop. Okay. Then you put some cream. It can be any kind of cream. Doesn't matter how much you put. Just put like 3 pumps. So 9 cream. That's good. That's enough.
Did you buy that?
Oh, it's yours.
I'm like, hey, I have one like that.
Okay, so then you stir it.
Yelling.
You stir it, but you make sure
Hey!
you don't make no shaving cream come out. But if you do, it's okay.
Okay.
Make sure the glue is mixed at the bottom. That's like the goal.
No.
You just mix it up. It smells so nice.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Take that down.
Q-tip. Please, I'm gonna draw something on my hand. Oh, not a Q-tip, it's too big.
But it looks so fluffy now.
Yeah, exactly.
This is how it would look, guys.
Okay, perfect. See, mine is not good. I mixed up mine, but it's still gonna work. So then, we're gonna put it in the cover because it's easier to drop it out.
Oh, wait. We forgot the...
No, that's at the end. Yeah, you can put it in now. Yeah, put it in now.
You said something in the end.
No, it's easier now. Put it in now. I want some green.
How much color?
You put 4 dots.
Wait, I want to see how hers turned out.
4. You put 4 dots.
I want to see how yours turned out.
Mine
If I
turns
want
out
green.
good. This is the slime master. Right here. Maybe more than 4 dots, because you want like a bright color, right?
Mint green slime. Beautiful.
Wow, I
What
want
should I
it
do
more.
here?
I just want a little bit more. It's too
Yeah,
light.
it's pink.
It's too little bit light. It's too light.
So you add more if you don't like the color.
No, it's not even mixed in. Can you mix it?
Whatever, wait. Let me go on.
On the couch, drop it of your slime. I want to make slime on my hand. Okay, wait.
I want to drop on one light. That's perfect. Never
Okay,
did this.
my slime
You
is
know
a
the
bit screwed up.
detergent's blue, so it's gonna add.
True. Think of
Oh,
that.
this is so
So if you have a different color, you have to make it
Oh my
darker.
gosh,
Okay.
this is bubble gum.
So, next, you put little by little, like literally little by little. So you're gonna put like a little bit, like a little dot, okay? Like a little dot, like a dot, could be a bit more, like that. Okay.
For some for me.
Okay, now mix it, okay? Oh, Gabby, you.
Not voice
Sorry, I forgot about you. Okay, now mix it. Mix it really, really good, okay? Can I have some? I'm making slime on my hand.
I got you.
Do you already feel it's already such a bit? A little bit more. Okay, there you go.
What's that? It worked! Caleb made slime on her hand!
Do you feel it? Do you feel like the little bit of slime?
Yeah, I can
Whoa,
feel
it's so nice.
Oh, so yours is nice. Mine is
Oh,
messed up.
mine's
It's okay, just
sticky.
put a lot of detergent.
Yo, look at that. That's
Okay,
nice.
so now you want a little bit more because it's too sticky right now.
You need to
Add
put a lot
bit.
more.
So then you just that's perfect. Perfect. Now mix it good.
What kind of slime are you making?
butter slime.
Can I have more? Fluffy slime.
Butter slime.
Well, it's the
I
same
got
thing.
you.
It's gonna be careful and butter slime. Okay?
Can I go in with my hands yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, ready? So then you add a little bit more.
Yeah,
I
just
want
a
more.
Okay. Oh. You'll be good, you'll be good. Doesn't matter.
No, you don't need any more. Just go. Stir it.
Then you add it. Thomas, as soon as you're done that, you can put it straight on the table.
Huh?
As soon as you're done mixing that, you can put it straight on the table.
For sure.
Wait.
On the table.
Put it straight on the table.
Okay, now
You're not even mixing it in at the bottom.
yeah, but you can take yours out.
I made slime on my hand, guys.
Okay, so now you just okay. Look, so now it's right now. Okay, right now it's like on the table, but it's still very sticky.
I
So
think I need a
Yeah.
Actually, a bit more.
Okay, Larry, okay, perfect. Okay, good.
Wow. Oh, it's so sticky.
Yeah, okay, here, add more. Add more. Add more. Not too much though, because I already added too
Oh,
much there.
mine is super. Wait.
Okay, take it out. Take it out, Gabby. Take it out and do it me.
Okay. Where do I put my spoon?
Put it on the counter. Put it on the counter.
I'm trying to get this out, but it's not working.
So, this is working out actually so good. I thought it was my slime was gonna be destroyed, but you know what? All you gotta do is knead it. The key is to knead it. Oh, that's so nice. Wow.
Look at my bubble gum.
I think it might need a little bit more.
Yeah.
Kind of a little.
No, wait, play with it a bit and then see what happens. I think mine wins.
Yeah, yours is the
Mine obviously loses. I added too much thing, but it's still
Put
working.
more detergent.
I want some. My
Just
favorite.
dump it all, Nana.
I want some yellow.
Yeah, it's my favorite color.
I want to see a yellow, how it turns out. Mine is bubble gum too.
Oh, yeah.
Mine's sky blue.
Everybody made these kinds of gum. So I made pink bubble gum.
I made sky blue.
And she made peppermint.
Lights me. Woo! It lights me. I know you love me, slime. Look, it doesn't stick
We
on
can
my
make more tomorrow, Thomas. Yo,
Yo,
I barely use mine. I use like a quarter.
Oh, it turned out so nice.
Mine turned out so nice. Look at it.
You like it?
I love it. My friends, you know what? You know how far they stretch?
I thought he was eating the detergent. I'm like, Thomas, are you joking now?
I gotta grab out all the other stuff.
If it's not how stretchy you want it, just add more cream.
Oh my god. I wanted more stretchy.
Forgot to add cream. Oh my god.
That's why it's not
Can I
stretchy.
just see it?
Wait, it's not.
I'm just gonna clean my hands.
more cream. I wanted like more
Okay.
stretchy.
Put it on, just put it on.
Don't put it flat on the table.
Look, mine is stretchy enough.
Mine's too full.
No, I think I need more.
I want to take this slime off.
But it takes a while for it to stretch out.
Look. This is like watch next
I'm
year.
trying to bring it in.
Needed it.
Oh, it makes that sound.
Yeah.
Crunch the slime.
Smell it.
But I can still make some slime.
Everything
Right
really
there.
smells good except for the glue.
Why?
Smells good. Smell it.
You're like, I got slime.
Okay, but hey, let me play with my slime.
I'm trying to stretch it out. Here.
What?
Trying to take off all the slime.
Now, let's show them how butter slime works. So you make it into a rectangle.
Girl, it's like a... What?
Fast.
What?
What?
He Here's just like
He's got full penis.
bro, it's so long. It's like it doesn't even like make an imprint.
Look.
That memory foam.
Look.
Whoa.
Whoa, this butter slime has worked. See, right
Is
here,
that-
bubble gum. It's the best slime.
Thomas, start putting it in here and rubbing this.
TikTok, TikTok.
Start taking the rest out of the bowl. Amanda.
Oh, that's it.
What's this one?
Everywhere is going to, so like home base.
Oh, let's hear on it.
Mail,
YouTube video.
I need more cream.
No, it's okay. Don't put more. This is
Just
gonna
a
get too
bit
hard.
more.
Oh no! It's gonna get too hard.
Too much. Too much.
It takes days for it to get no, a few hours for it to get.
Amanda, you saw so much in here. What the heck? Look at this.
Oh, she messed it up.
Too much.
No. No, oh, okay.
It's the rest of yours, bro.
Why?
You, this is not messy. Look at mine.
So close.
It's the cleanest thing you can ever do. I watched this video on YouTube that's like a girl had
look how much time we have left.
glued her hands off. She
Oh,
lost her
Karina.
hands.
Karina, oh.
She lost her hands because of borax.
Yeah, there's like kids who are getting like burnt because of the borax.
Yeah.
They're just using bleach to do it, and it's burning their hands like too much.
I use detergent.
No, no, no.
Bro, make yourself one.
I will help you.
Okay, I'm gonna listen to you.
Yes, this is the best line.
Tell me, Amanda,
The whole thing.
the rest.
Oh, is this making
Go to
sound?
the waffle.
Stop. Here, guys. Okay, it's excess.
Shaving cream.
Not too much, please.
And I put it for Thomas.
Stop, stop, stop.
I put so much glue though.
Okay, go.
This is so good. Amanda, you're so pro at making slime.
And butter slime.
She even said it's 100% better. It is. It doesn't stick to my hand.
Last time, the other one got so hard we had to throw it
You
out.
need something to put it in, or else it's gonna dry out.
Yeah, bye.
Did I forget to put something on?
And now you're about to put the dessert.
Yeah, okay, put it now.
I have a food coloring.
Go, put a bit more shaving cream.
That's what I said. I put so much glue.
Yeah, makes sense.
I love bubblegum.
Put your color. Watercolor.
Blue, she likes it.
You think I need more?
No, no, no.
What color are you doing? Peppermint?
Yeah, I'm gonna do mint. How many drops did you put in yours?
5, 4. That's not enough.
I don't want it that dark.
You don't want to start?
I'm gonna do 2 more drops.
Like this. Lighter than this. It's white.
Maybe a little darker, but not that.
I put a little bit more food coloring.
If you do this, you bend it like this, like a lot of times.
Just to make it a little bit more dark.
Yeah, I know.
Oh! I'm just making it a little bit more dark because
This is my slime.
I didn't like how light it is. I like it darker. This is good. I do now a little bit.
Okay, we're gonna have to clean this up after.
But there's no mess. There's barely any mess.
Mando over there. Izzy.
I put so much thing.
stick to my hand. It loves me next time. It's used to me.
And make it stick here.
I literally put like 8 drops and it's still white.
After if it's all at the bottom, mix it. Pick it up the bottom. Yeah, like that. There you go.
Damn, it's not white.
Pick it up. That's right. I told you. You need to add more.
I did. I put like 8 drops.
More.
Bro, I make too much.
That's enough. Bro, I think that's enough.
Oh, now it's enough.
I think so.
Oh.
Yeah, it is. I can see it at the bottom. It's like green.
Look how long
Why did you stretch that long?
It takes a while. You have to like stretch it, pull it back. Can I see it?
Whoa!
There, look.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! It's going! It's going! To the
Is
right!
this sign better than Jada's sign
Yes!
and Adrian's
Look.
sign?
Yes!
We have to throw them out because they stretch this. Legit, this slime stretches this far. We have to go really.
No, not
See what I mean?
like
Okay, here.
far.
I have a seat now. Okay, give me.
Wait.
Getting
Well, I'm actually
frustrated.
gonna.
Amanda's frustrated.
Mandy, nah.
I want to be weird and put yellow or something.
I don't know. No, I don't know what colors it turned into.
No.
That's the color.
Yellow.
Bro, see what turns out, and then you can always add more.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, now here. Bro, you wanna end the video?
Yeah. So bye. guys.
Oh wait! Look how much it stretches. It stretches a lot. Then bring it down like that. Then it'll stretch a lot. Then you have to grab it. So bye guys.
Bye.